This is the 58th LeetCode challenge, and it is called length of last word. Given a string S consisting of words and spaces, return the length of the last word in the string. A word is a maximal substring consisting of non-space characters only. So if we have hello world, the last word is world, and it's a length of 5. If we have this string, which is fly me to the moon, and there's multiple spaces everywhere, the output is 4 because the last word is moon. And then Luffy's still Joy Boy is the last word, and that is 6. So let's get started. So we'll start off with int output equals 0, return output, and something I should check with the constraints, there'll be at least one word in S, that's what I wanted to look for. So I'm going to start off with int last index equals s.length minus 1. So we'll start off with while s last index is empty, we will last index minus minus. Then what we'll do is while last index greater than 0 and s last index does not equal a space, we are going to output, I should curly brace here, so output plus plus, then last index minus minus. So going from here, we're going to be starting off the first loop, gets rid of or ignores this, then goes to here. We're then going to be looping through until there is a space. So if we run it, it should return the correct output, return 5, 4, and 6. So ignoring the trailing white space, we're then looping while it's not white space and adding to output. And then when there is a space, it will exit from here and return the result. So we'll copy this, put it into LeetCode, run it on the test ones. Those were correct, so we'll now submit. And we got a wrong answer. So return 0 instead of 1, which is interesting, because this should be greater or equal to 0. We'll do that. Add this to test, run that. There we go, that one was now correct, so we'll submit it, and that should hopefully be everything correct, which it is. So that's the 58th LeetCode challenge called length of last word. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe.